Hello, so today we'll be talking about how you can choose products from the seller marketplace. And without wasting much of your time, let's just get started. So, hi, my name is Mykail Arisa, and I'll be showing you guys how to choose product from the affiliate network on seller. So, from the product marketplace. So, first of all, what you have to do is to come to your Chrome browser, then you type affiliates.seller.co. So, I've already typed that out as you can see, and this is where it is. So for those of you that have not signed up yet, all you have to do is to click on get started, but I'm an affiliate for them. So if I click on get started, it's going to take me to their product marketplace, right? Okay, so I'll need to sign in first of all. All right, so it's going to bring you into the seller product marketplace. So the next thing you have to do is just come here. If you have a product in mind, just type, but if you want to explore, you can go around, scroll down here, try to look for a product that you feel like, okay, I want to sell. These are currently the products that are hot selling. So Amazon KDP for all devices. So fortunately, this is the product that I wanted to come to, but let me just show you guys how to search. So you can search by the um, author's or creator's name. So let's say, for example, Adonike Sylvester, because that's his name. So we can sorry about that, I made a mistake. So we can search by the author's name, and here it is. So you can now scroll through to see which of the courses that he has and look at it here. So you can see that he's the one that has all of these courses, right? And he has made a couple of sales on it, and this is the one he has made over 1,000 sales on. So let me also show you guys how to search by name. So here is Amazon KDP, or better still, you can just type, let's just use Amazon KDP, because typing Amazon is going to waste time. So look at it, Amazon KDP for smartphones. So you are now currently seeing everybody that has Amazon KDP for smartphones and all of that. So this is the one we are looking for, and it has a 50% commission. So all you have to do next is to click on get link. All right, so I really don't want to sell, so you just click on get affiliate link, or then I'll show you guys something. So you click on view details, and they say these links are available to view the product. So this is a link to the sales page, and this is a link to the product itself. So if you click on this, it will take you there, and then you click on this to take you to the sales page, so that you go through it and see what it is like. So but then, okay, let me just use this for training purposes. So for those of you that are affiliates, all you have to do is click on get link, and then you click on get affiliate link. It's going to tell you, okay, thank you for your request, and this is it. So here's your affiliate link to the sales page. Of course, whenever you want to give out, don't copy your affiliate link to the product directly. Copy the affiliate link to the sales page. So you tap on copy, and it's going to copy. Then the next thing you want to do as an affiliate is you try to um, get into the authors affiliate group for those, because some of them have groups for affiliates. So that's what you are going to try to do. So this is the link to the sales page, and like I told you, this is the link to the product on seller. So you really don't want to be sending people to this place, okay? You don't want to be sending people to this place. All you want to do is to send them to the sales page instead, so that when they click on, like when they get to the sales page and they get to click on the button for them to join. So let me look for where it is. They normally put it at the end, so let's just go to the end. Okay, look at it here. So now when they click here, it's going to take them to this other page, right? So always send people to the sales page, okay? So always send people to the sales page. Don't try to send them to this other one. So currently these are the products that I have access to. So I'll show you how to join the authors group. That's one for, I think, basically for those that are on ExpertNet. They are the ones that will be able to get the link to join the authors group. Or basically you can also message him. So another thing you can do is send him a message on Twitter. Tell him that you are an affiliate for the course, and then show him your affiliates page. Okay, show him your affiliate page, like you are an affiliate for the Amazon KDP as well. So this is basically all you have to do. So when you copy the link, don't forget, copy the link to the sales page. Then when you copy it, you are going to go to one of the link shorteners, maybe Tiny URL, maybe Rebrandly, or however, whichever one that works. But be careful, some link shorteners, I think bit.ly, always you get to lose your affiliate commission. You get to lose your affiliate commission. So just try to make sure that whatever shortener you are going to use, rather, is going to be something that is tested and trusted by some other person. So reach out to affiliates and also find out which of these shorteners are they really using for their business and all of that. So this is it basically. So you've copied your link, you've shortened it, and that is the next thing. You just have to keep selling and then join the affiliate support group by the author or course creator as well. So that will be it. And once again, if you found this valuable, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos just like this that will be helpful to you in your business. So, and once again, I'm Mykail Arisa, your friendly value mate. And don't forget, don't just get online, get noticed.